Hello, good people. Welcome to Global System Solutions, the future powerhouse. We are experts in solar power systems design and installations. Today, we showcase our latest 6 kilowatt solar installation in Eldoret Town, the home of champions. The system consists of a powerful 6 kVA hybrid inverter, a 7.2 kilowatt hour lithium battery, and 6 pieces solar panels, each 620 watts. The system is able to power a microwave, freezer, fridge, washing machine, water dispenser, small pumps of up to 1.5 horsepower, television, and lighting, among others. Our clients will no longer depend on KPLC. Frequent blackouts are a thing of the past now, and above all, he has slashed his electricity costs by close to 95%. What a beautiful time to be alive when the sun provides all our energy needs. Are you tired of frequent blackouts and high electricity bills?
Worry no more. At Global System Solutions, we provide reliable, sustainable, and cost-effective solar solutions.
Give us a call today on 0721 675 839 and we'll get you sorted.